Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Facebook profile and how you can pin song to your Facebook profile. So once you are in your Facebook, on the right side top corner you can see these three horizontal line, tap there. So now on the top you can see view your profile, tap there. Okay, so now I'm in my profile. Let's scroll down and you will see this music option. Now on the bottom you can see add song, tap there. Now you can see all the song listed here. Now on the left side above the song icon you can tap. I can't play the music here because it will be copyright, so you can check the song by tapping on the music icon. Now on the right side you can see this add button, tap there to add the song to your music library. You can add multiple songs. Okay, I add this many songs. Okay, now let's go back. Okay, as you can see the music I added I can see here. So let's tap here, see all music. So I have 5 songs in my music library. Suppose I want to add this Night Rider to my profile, I want to pin it to my profile, so just tap on pin to profile. Okay, now let's go back. Song has been pinned. Okay, now let's go back, refresh the page. So now as you can see Night Rider, it's pinned to my profile. So now on the right side these 3 horizontal buttons are there. You can tap there, you can replace the song, you can unpin it, you can delete the song, or you can add to your stories. So that's it guys. Likewise you can pin a song to your Facebook profile and add music to your Facebook library. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.